Welcome to News Express. President Bola Tinubu has approved a major reshuffle in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, appointing Bianca Ojukwu as the new Minister of Foreign Affairs, while also naming Shola Enikanolaiye as Minister of State for Foreign Affairs. The change, announced on Wednesday, marked a significant adjustment in Nigeria's diplomatic leadership structure as the administration continues to reposition key ministries ahead of the 2027 political cycle. According to a statement issued by the Special Advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Bayo Onanuga, the appointment of Ojukwu represents an elevation from her previous role as Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, a position she has held since her initial appointment in 2023. The statement explained that the decision was part of broader efforts to strengthen Nigeria's foreign policy direction and improve the country's engagement with international partners. The reshuffle follows the resignation of Ambassador Yusuf Togga, who stepped down from his position as Minister of Foreign Affairs to pursue his political ambition of contesting the Bauchi State governorship election in 2027. His resignation aligns with the earlier directive from the presidency, which required all ministers with electoral ambitions to resign before March 30th. In order to maintain administrative neutrality and avoid conflicts of interest within government. Bianca Ojukwu, who now assumes full control of the ministry, is a seasoned diplomat with extensive experience in international relations. She previously served as Nigeria's ambassador to both Spain and Italy, roles in which she was involved in strengthening bilateral relations, expanding trade partnerships, and representing Nigeria in key diplomatic engagements across Europe. Her appointment as Minister of the entire ministry signals a consolidation of her responsibilities and an expansion of her influence in shaping Nigeria's foreign policy direction. The elevation also carries historical and political significance, as Ojukwu is widely known as the widow of the late Biafran leader, Dame Chukwuemeka Ojukwu. Her continued rise in politics has often been viewed as part of a broader narrative of reconciliation and inclusion within Nigeria's political structure, particularly in relation to the Southeast region. Alongside her appointment, President Tinubu also nominated Shola Enikanolaiye as Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, pending Senate confirmation. Shola, who hails from Kogi State, brings more than 3 decades of diplomatic experience into the role, having served in various capacities within Nigeria's foreign service. Before his nomination, he was a special assistant to the President on Foreign Affairs and International Relations, where he played a key advisory role on Nigeria's global diplomatic engagements. His professional background includes service as Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, as well as posting in several Nigerian missions abroad, including Addis Ababa, Belgrade, Ottawa, London. His extensive experience across multiple diplomatic environments is expected to support the ministry's ongoing efforts to enhance Nigeria's international standing and strengthen foreign relations. The presidency stated that both appointments are part of a broader strategy aimed at repositioning Nigeria's foreign policy architecture for improved efficiency and stronger global partnership. According to the statement, the administration is focused on promoting economic diplomacy, enhancing regional stability, and ensuring that Nigeria's interests are effectively represented in international forums. President Tinubu also urged both appointees to prioritize the welfare of Nigerians both at home and abroad, emphasizing the importance of protecting citizens' interests in foreign countries while also attracting investment opportunities that will support domestic economic growth. The administration has consistently framed foreign policy as a critical component of their economic recovery and international repositioning agenda. The reshuffle comes at a time when several ministers across different sectors have stepped down or been reassigned due to political ambitions ahead of the 2027 general elections. In recent months, the federal cabinet has witnessed increased movement as political actors begin to position themselves for upcoming electoral contests, leading to adjustments within key ministries. Ambassador Yusuf Toghar's resignation is one of several high-profile exits linked to the 2027 election cycle. His decision to contest the governorship of Bauchi State reflects a broader trend of federal appointees returning to state-level politics in preparation for the next electoral cycle. This pattern has contributed to a wave of cabinet restructuring as the administration seeks to maintain continuity in governance while accommodating political transitions. Political observers note that the appointment of Ojukwu as head of the Foreign Affairs Ministry is also a strategic move aimed at maintaining stability within a critical sector of government. The ministry plays a central role in Nigeria's international relations, particularly at a time when global diplomatic engagements, economic partnerships, and security cooperation remain key priorities for the country. Similarly, Shola's appointment is seen as an effort to inject experienced administrative leadership into the ministry's second-tier leadership structure. His background is both domestic and international diplomatic assignments is expected to complement the minister's leadership and ensure continuity in policy implementation. The changes has also sparked political discussions regarding the broader implications of cabinet reshuffles ahead of the 2027 elections, with several ministers already stepping down to pursue political ambitions. Analysts suggest that the federal government may continue to experience adjustments in the coming months as political activities intensify across the country. Despite these changes, the presidency has maintained that the restructuring is not driven solely by politics but also by the need to enhance governance efficiency and improve service delivery. Officials have repeatedly emphasized that the administration remains committed to strengthening institutions and ensuring that key ministries are led by individuals with the capacity to deliver results. As Nigeria prepares for a political charge period leading up to 2027, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is expected to play a crucial role in shaping the country's global image and diplomatic engagements. With Ojukwu at the helm and Shola as her deputy, the government appears focused on maintaining continuity while leveraging experience to advance national interests on the global stage. For more updates and insightful analysis, stay with us on News Express. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comment section. I am Cassie Tony. Many thanks for watching.